Hello everyone, class 6th we are going to discuss your GK and chapter 17. Chapter 17 is mammal quest. So firstly you should know what is the meaning of mammals. Okay guys, firstly we should know what is the meaning of mammals. Here mammals are those animals who give birth to their young ones. Means suppose a person asks a question to you, who are mammals? Mammals are those animals which give birth to their young ones. They are found on land, air and water. Means here everywhere you can find mammals on land, air and water. With the help of the clue box given below, can you identify some of them? Okay. So here there are many types of mammals here. Okay, so this is your responsibility guys. We have told you about the mammals. Okay, next thing, your next chapter, animal crossword. Okay, animal crossword. We all love to solve crossword puzzles. Means this is a kind of puzzles you should solve, and this is answer given in your book. Don't we choose the correct answer of the question given below and complete the crossword. Okay, this is crossword. Aquatic plants. We should know, as you know about the plants, but here we will know about the aquatic plants. The plants which have adapted to survive in the aquatic environment. The plants which have adapted to survive in the aquatic environments are called aquatic plants. Okay guys, so you should know the definition of the aquatic plants. The plants which have adapted to survive in the aquatic environment called aquatic plants. Okay, identify the plants with the help of the hints provided. So these are the plants you should know. Okay, and guys, these plants help box is given here. Lizard's tail, common water hyacinth, water lettuce, duckweed, water lily. Okay, matchless defense mechanisms. We should know about the mechanisms. Okay guys, we should know about the mechanism. Here several animals in due course of time have developed unique defense mechanism to protect themselves from danger or to camouflage, camouflage themselves with the surroundings to hunt their prey. We introduce you to a few of them. Okay guys, so we have to know about the mechanisms. Several animals in due course of time have developed unique defense mechanisms to protect themselves from danger or to camouflage themselves with the surroundings to hunt their prey. We introduce you to a few of them. Okay, so guys, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 these answers. You can choose from here: stick insects, cuttlefish, Malaysian, exploding ant, electric eel, horned lizard, cyanide, excreting lipid. Okay, here did you know the ant is one of the favorite foods of the horned lizards. Next we should know about the insects and bugs. Insects and bugs. Insects and bugs are all around us. Means we can find about insects and bugs. all around us, some big, some small, and some microscopic. Identify the name of the insect with the help of the description provided below. Some description are provided below, and you should find out. And guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these answers are given in your book as an answer sheet. Okay. Help box is given here. Cricket, the insects. Aphids, also a spider, mites, truffles, locusts, thrips. Did you know about crickets have their ears on their front legs just below the knees? Okay. Migratory birds. We should know about the migratory birds. Okay. Migratory birds. Many birds travel long distance to find the ideal habitats or feeding and laying eggs. Identify the bird with the help of the description and clue box given below. Okay, and the help box is here. You can find out this bird, this one, this one, this one. Okay, and these are the help box. You have to find out. This is your homework, guys. Here, swift, cuckoo, Arctic tern, swallow, hummingbird. Did you know an average Arctic tern travels around 2,400,000 2 crore 4 lakhs kilometers during its lifetime? Okay. Next thing is that fauna of Indian states. Fauna of Indian states. Most Indian states have an official animal or bird. A list of states and animals birds are given below by the state with the respective state animal or bird. Okay. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, these are states. Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. We will have to find out in which state these birds are found. The great hornbill has been evaluated as near threatened on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Guys, chapter number 24, Fishy. And this chapter we will discuss in the next video, guys. So guys, today I will send you a PDF. You should note down the lines which were written in PDF, because this PDF will be helpful in your exam also. Okay.